Hello everyone, welcome to Car Doctor for You channel. This is a Volkswagen Golf Convertible 1.2 liter gasoline engine. This car comes to our workshop for a very annoying noise. $100,000 kilometers on it. So I did diagnostic in this engine. The engine is good. The noise is not from the engine, and the noise comes from the water pump. As you see, the water level is under minimum, and the water is also leaking from the water pump side. And I'm going to replace the water pump and drive good for this car. Here is the new water pump and the drive bar. Remove the front right side tire. Remove this arch splash guard, only the lower one. As you see, the coolant leakage is coming from the water pump. Lock the belt tensioner, remove the drive belt. So guys, now the tensioner is locked, and remove the belt. The belt is also not in good condition. The water pump is leaking. I removed the reservoir tank. The reservoir tank is removed. I need to remove this bracket. Now the bracket is removed. And second things I'm gonna do, open the water pump. It has 3 bolts. One is open. The second one is also opened, and this is the third one, bolt for water pump. I opened 2 bolts from the top and 1 bolt from the bottom. From water pump. And remove the water pump. And remove the water. Let's inspect the water pump. Oh, it's jammed. Water pump is jammed. Spread the water pump pulley and put in the new water pump. It's jam. This is the new water pump. Put the new seal on. The new water pump is on. I connect the vacuum hose. There is the vacuum hose. Here, the vacuum hose is connecting here. It's finished, and now time to put back this bracket on its place, like this. And the vacuum pipe is also connected to the water pump. So it's finished. I just put back the reservoir tank. Add new coolant. Up the coolant. I start the engine and check for leakage. Terrible noise disappeared or not. Yes. Yes, the terrible sound disappeared. You want to finish? You want this? This one? And the other is looking more. You put back the tire, unjack the car. So you fill up the coolant reservoir tank, and there is no leakage, no harsh noise from the water pump, and the car is back on the road.